What is going on YouTube? Hayden back making another brand new Crypto TV episode. In today's video, we do have a few interesting things to go over. Obviously, XRP as of yesterday has managed to see its breakout outside of its fifth bull flag. It is officially confirmed. I'm very excited to go over and discuss everything with you. We also talked about yesterday how I am going to start doing some, twice a day videos, which is super cool. One in the morning dedicated to XRP and Solana, one in the afternoon dedicated to Bitcoin and Ethereum, and you guys reacted extremely well to yesterday's video, so I even made a second one for you guys. So I'm very blessed that you guys commented, and I do really appreciate everything. Today, Sunday, day of rest, guys, go relax. It's just going to be one video today, but it's going to be an important one, and there's a lot of things to go over. Literally at the time I'm making this video, I've been procrastinating, but we're starting to see an Ethereum pump as we're talking here. Same thing with Bitcoin. The start of the pump, it appears to be just starting, which is very exciting. You can see when I've drawn these in from yesterday here and how they're kind of outdated already. So we're going to extend these and correct them. Yet again, this is on the hourly charts for Ethereum and Bitcoin. So not only is it aggressive, it is extremely aggressive, and with that comes get in and get out. We're talking about if you're going to trade this, you got to be sitting on your computer for the next like 2 or 3 hours, because you're getting in and you're getting out just as quickly as you got in. This is by no means a long-term hold position, so we're going to be going over that in a minute with you guys. We're also going to be looking at XRP's little bull flag and then bear trap reversal here, this little swing to the downside that pretty much probably stopped every single person that entered Bitcoin or XRP, which is quite funny and comical, but we'll go over that, and then when to buy in, and if it's not too late, so on and so forth. But with that being said, smash that like button ASAP, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and let's jump right into today's episode. So guys, super quick before we dive into the technical analysis, for those that don't already know or haven't taken advantage of already, BitFi, the #1 cryptocurrency leveraging exchange, has a limited time offer for the next couple of days where you guys can earn up to 550 USDT or US digital blah 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 550 USDT. You guys know what that is, with a link down in the description below, so make sure to check that out ASAP. Click on it. It'll give you all the rules and everything you need to do in order to claim and win that, or get that 550 USDT. Anywho, moving forward into today's video, lots of important things to discuss. Yesterday, you guys reacted extremely well, and I mean extremely well, to the videos that we made. The first and foremost, I dropped an extremely early video so that you guys could see the bull flag breakout that's actually happening within XRP. We've officially confirmed the fifth wave outside of the major descending fractal that's been forming on XRP for months now. And then we also found a bull flag, or a symmetrical triangle forming on Bitcoin's hourly, as well as Ethereum's hourly chart. So we made a video on that, focusing on these two possible buying opportunities, and that's where we're going to pretty much pick up from where we left off. You can see the current coin market cap here. Everything is still consolidating, and this is by no means a surprise because today is Sunday and it was this weekend. Now, we did see a little bit of movement, I think Friday, Saturday, but today we're probably not going to be seeing much, and we'll probably see the markets pick back up tomorrow, the start of the new week, which is very exciting because overall we're only up about at 1.5%. But for the week, we're up 22%, 14% for Ethereum, 30%, 26% for Solana here. We have 15% for XRP. Some of you guys are saying Shiba's up 127%. Absolutely absurd. It is absurd. All these cryptos are up double digits. Geez, like dog with hat, 400%. Pepe is back up 300%. It's all these meme coins, Floki, Shiba, all these like doo-doo altcoins, meme coins. Bonk up 122. It's absolutely nuts. Bitcoin Cash is up 77%. You guys commented that. Doge is up 64. I mean, it is absurd and unheard of that we are pumping so much. But you can see the major alts, this is, it's like playing with penny stocks with those meme coins. If you want to throw in money, consider it a loss already and you'll be okay. But you can see Bitcoin is flatlined out, Ethereum's flatlined out, and that is kind of where we want these markets to move to. You can see XRP. If I jump to the weekly here, I want you guys to really take a look at what exactly is happening. We have been tracking, and there's a good chance now, I don't know, let's see, some sort of uptrend. I don't really like that, but you can just see the bull flags we've had. Here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You guys at this point should understand how it works. It's a flag pull up, flag down, breakout, flag pull up, flag down, breakout, flag pull up, flag down, breakout, so on and so forth. Flag pull up, flag down, breakout, flag pull up for number 5, the current one, flag pull down, or flagpole up, flag down, breakout. And you can see now why we're hitting a bit of turbulence. A, today is Sunday, but B, we have a major price ceiling. We're hitting a massive, and I mean a mega massive resistance, which is that moving average on the weekly charts here. Good chance we will end up breaking through it though, which is exciting. Good chance we're going to see even up to 80 cents here, which is awesome as well. Small pullback because it's the first time in a long time we've actually hit that weekly moving average. Last time we did that, it was a while ago actually. It was closer to like November here, but you can see that's a bit of a resistance here, and you can see where we're kind of at is just a problem zone to begin with here, but it is the start of this run to the upside, which is exciting to me. You can see the continued breakout. There were a few opportunities to buy in. The first one, pretty much the main one, was right here, right at about 60 cents confirmation. It happened on March 1st, so it was an easy kind of, just the start of the month. We had a beautiful month, all of February. Look at what it caused. Absolutely incredible here. Major flare to the downside, probably stopped every single person out. I know it stopped me out here, but you can still get back in. I think let's wait for tomorrow to see what happens here. I think if we can confirm closure above price ceiling, that might, be another buying opportunity higher than where we last left off, 64 cents here for those that got stopped out. If you had your stop loss lower, good for you. You'd still be in it here, but ideally, we did see this kind of trigger, this flare to the downside, probably stopped everyone else out. We'll see another buying opportunity soon because I think this is just the beginning of XRP, full sending to the upside. Now, when we do decide to trade it, not only can you take advantage of the BidFi $550 USDT that you can claim, but BidFi also has a way for you to earn over $2,000 in free cryptocurrency by literally clicking that link down in the description. 2888 is the reward task for completing certain rewards for completing certain tasks, and there are a ton here, a ton for you guys to check out. So make sure to check this out down in the description below. There's even a sign-up reward bonus where you can earn over $200 USDT, which I did. It's very fun. Make sure to check that out. More so, they even have a demo account which lets you trade around with 50 grand in Monopoly money completely free. Get familiar with the exchange, and then get familiar with Bitcoin, XRP, pretty much practice trading. That's what it's your homework. Everyone watching this, if you haven't already, you should be doing your homework, practicing with fake money to get familiar with the exchange. And when you're ready, you switch on over to that live trading account and you can move on from there. Anywho's, moving forward from XRP, my main focus is Bitcoin and Ethereum. I'm quite excited to go over this stuff. You can see it's like we just started to break out. This was so early on, as I've told you in the past, there's still plenty of room to be moving things here. And you can see kind of now how it's starting to take shape like this, like this. I even think we can move this lower. Yeah, just like that. Check this out. You can see kind of the start of the break to the upside here. We even have on Bitcoin here. It was so early on that we needed more time to kind of tweak these, get ourselves in position here, just allowing the market to pretty much fill in its gap here. We could even move this lower. I don't know if that's accurate. I kind of like it more like this, but you can see how the symmetrical triangle is starting to pan out. If you wanted to take advantage of the Bitcoin or Ethereum trade, leveraging this on BidFi here, you can do so. But remember, this is the 1 hour charts. So it might not break out that high. At most, it could move up from like 3470 to like 34600. It would be an incredibly small breakout to the upside or the downside, but an incredibly small one at that. You could take advantage of it now. It is extremely risky. It is just starting to take shape, but it is an extremely risky trade. We can easily move up. We could easily reverse down and then dump. It's very possible either opportunity could happen here, but we are filling in this gap. I don't like the way this looks. I think it needs to be more like maybe like this. I don't know. Something like that. It's a bit tough for me, though. We do look like we're starting to trend out. I mean, there's a chance we could even... Can we pull this up higher? Yeah, that actually looks a bit more accurate here. We might not actually be breaking through it just yet on Bitcoin here. There might be some sort of ascending triangle forming, so we're going to leave this alone here. You can kind of see this kind of ascending or ascending triangle forming here. This one, not so much. This could be just the small start, but Bitcoin looks pretty good if you ask me here. But again, there's a chance we could start to dip lower here. Now that we've pretty much figured this out, we can continue to fill this in and then get that decision, break or dump. But regardless, it is an extremely aggressive trade nonetheless because we're trading on the hourly charts. But for those that are bored that want to play around with it, that is an opportunity. As for the S&P, I think we're going to end the week probably over here. I think we're going to continue to move up. And we'll probably be right around here. Maybe not the end of the week, considering that's the 15th, but 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th. By Friday, we could easily end up here. Something like this is very possible. So I'm excited to see the results of this. But ideally, we have this kind of stair-stepping pattern here. So every time we become overbought, we pull back down. So now that we're overbought, good chance we're going to see a correction, followed by more movement to the upside here, creating more all-time highs. So with that being said, smash the like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Peace.